lahat po ay pantay-pantay at kailangan po, huwag po tayong mahiya na i-express po yung talent natin sa buong mundo.
Nung kita'y mahalin, hindi ko na inibig ang kinabukasan ko. Ang nadarama ko'y iniibig kita, pag-ibig na walang maliw. Sabihin pa nila na ako'y isang baliw, kung dahil sa'yo giliw, ay tatanggapin ko maluwag sa dibdib, sapagkat mahal kita. Bakit ako mahihiya kung sa iyo'y liligaya? Ang pag-ibig ko lamang ang siyang tanging aliw sa buhay, pagkat ika'y minamahal.
There we go. Oh, hi. Anong pangalan mo?
Renmar po.
Renmar, pwede ka magkwento tungkol sa sarili mo?
Ako po ay isang transgender woman at nag-start po akong kumanta since nung ako'y grade 5 student. Tsaka po sumasali din po ako sa mga amateur singing contest.
I think hindi pa sure kung anong tamang key para sa'yo.
Ano?
I think kaya mo pa na mas mataas pa.
Opo, sa low notes po, hirap po ako. Sa low
Di ba?
notes.
I think you can hit the higher notes. And you still can do it. Hindi dahil hindi kami umikot yung mga silya namin. Hindi ibig sabihin wala ka ng chance, wala ka ng karapatan mag-stand sa stage. Obviously, meron kang story, meron kang reason to be a performer. And I can see it in the way you're looking right now. You think defeated ka na, hindi. Winner ka pa. We might even see you on Showtime, on ASAP, on different shows, doing different things.
Ako, it's just a matter of consistency issues, hitting those notes lang. So it's more practice, right? More seasoning. I can see naman yun ang hilig mo, matagal mo nang gusto ginagawa to. So just keep it up. Okay, Renmar?
Opo.
Sobra akong blown away. Parang halos speechless ako. Nung sinabi mo, pinakilala mo yung sarili mo, tell us something about yourself, I'm a transgender, ayoko siyang bigla na lang bitawan eh. Kasi it's part of your story, it's part of who you are. It's even part of the reason why you sound like that. Parang your voice is changing, pinahanap mo kung saan...
key, di ba?
Oo,
Yung
hinahanap
tamang
mo
key.
kung saan papunta yung boses mo, kung ano yung pinakabagay sa'yo. And let me be the one to tell you na you are in the right direction. Naalala ko si Miss Between. Kasi yung... Ganun agad yung... Ganun yung boses mo. So, alam ko na naririnig mo na, okay, dito mas bumabagay yung boses ko, dito ko mas napapakita yung kakayanan ko as a singer. Hindi failure yung performance mo ngayong gabi. More than the performance, you represented
Yes.
all the other teenagers
Yes.
who are like you. Na takot silang mag-step on the stage kasi baka hindi ako tanggapin, baka hindi pa sila ready. No. The world needs to be ready. So, maraming salamat and I am proud of you. We are all very proud of
Very
you.
proud.
Maraming salamat lang.
As a transgender woman, let your voice be heard. Thank you so much.
Nakaka-proud yun. Iba yun, ibang ano yun, ibang courage yun, guys. It's not just simply auditioning and stepping on that stage.
That's
Ibang
right.
layer, iba.
Ibang statement yun.
There was a tougher ceiling that she had to break through
A
tonight.
bigger voice. Bigger voice.